Hi, I'm Amanda Sutherland, and today we're talking about the power of consistency and how to keep your branding cohesive. Consistency is key to building a memorable brand. Your audience should instantly recognize your brand across all platforms. Start by using the same colors, fonts, and logo everywhere. On your website, social media, emails, and even business cards. Your messaging should also be consistent. Speak in the same tone and voice, whether you're posting on Instagram or sending a newsletter. A strong brand style guide can help you maintain this consistency, outlining how your visuals and tone should be used. Brands like Apple and Nike maintain cohesive branding across every touchpoint, which strengthens their identity and trust. Consistency builds familiarity, and over time, familiarity builds trust. Two things every solopreneur needs for long-term success. Remember, small inconsistencies can confuse your audience and weaken your brand's impact. Want to keep your branding cohesive? Download my free template for creating a brand style guide that works for you. Thanks for watching. I'm here to help you simplify your branding and keep it consistent across all platforms.